What's up, everybody? So today I will be making a ranger's cloak. So, my wife and I, Sabrina, we are going to a Renaissance fair, and for her birthday in July, and I need a cloak. And I don't want a wool cloak because it'll be really hot during the summer. I need something light and breathable. So I went to Harbor Freight. And I got this 4x12 canvas drop cloth. It's only like $8 with tax, and the guy gave me a discount, so it was like $7.21, so $8 really. So I'm gonna go ahead and dye this chocolate brown from Rit Dye More, because I have a lot of green on my outfit because I am a ranger. I'm also going to be using this for LARP whenever we go and figure out the LARP in Freeport, Illinois. But I have a lot of green on me. I have a lot of green and black. I need something brown. To counteract with. I have a belt and boots that are brown, and then I have a green long sleeve shirt, black bracers, black gloves, grayish pants. So I'm thinking if I dye this brown, I'll have a badass cloak, and then we're going to cut it, size it, and yeah, we're just going to make a cloak. And then I'll put it on with my whole outfit later today. So let's get started. So obviously, you're supposed to have hot water, so I did hot water in the tub. I have a bucket. I'm going to drop that into the hot water. Let it collect. Hot. And then I'm going to dump the whole bottle of this Rit dye in, because I want like a nice deep color. Rinse off the lid. I'm just going to rub it into the corner of the water, of the bucket with the water. That way it's not just all over the, not all over the canvas all at once, So we're gonna toss that. And the thing I like about this deep bucket, sorry, hi dog. The reason I like this deep bucket is because it allows for it to like hit every single part and not be missing out on it. I'll let that sit for a little bit and just kind of, it's already tan, so I just wanted to get a little bit darker. That's all I'm wanting. Just a nice dark coloration into it. And since it's canvas and it's light and breathable, the water will get through all the parts, so it's not going to end up like a tie-dyed mess, And this is brand new, so there shouldn't be any stains on it that, like when you dye shirts and stuff that you've used before, you get your like washer stain stuff on it. This is brand new, so it shouldn't have that issue. So we're gonna let this sit, and then we'll come back when it's time to start rinsing it out. If you guys want a better in-depth video on this, head on over to my buddies over at Skilltree. They do all type LARP and renfaire, outfit making, weapon rake making, all types of stuff. So if you want a more in-depth video, head on over to Skilltree and watch Clever make a ranger cloak as well. The same style, the same canvas, just he's doing it in a green because his LARP faction has a green. I just need this for renfaire and for my character in a sense. So yeah, so we're gonna let this sit. Pardon my dust all over. I was doing another project which will be uploaded right after this one. But I'm going to go ahead and check on my thingamabobber. I'm going to put this behind me so it's not in the way. There we go. Woohoo! Remember how it used to look, right? Bam! Oh, that's so good. I'm going to go ahead and stir it. Get some of these inside pieces to get covered. It does look like some parts are not getting the color like I thought. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit more. And I don't mind if it doesn't have like a lot of color like embedded into it. Rangers don't have like their stuff wears down really easily. So if that were the case, see like that. I don't know if you can see like that type of stuff. That gotta. I would love where it all kind of works together. It's blended. Burying it. I wish I had something to weigh it down. That way I could, like that we don't care about. That way I can have the whole thing submerged. We'll see. Right now, I'm gonna have some Cheez-It puffed, scorching hot Cheez-Its. So I'm gonna relax. Ooh, sorry, that got dark. I'm gonna relax, watching YouTube. Maybe vacuum up this spot of all this orange. So yeah, that'll be fun. Alright, so it's finally done. Now I'm just doing the rinsing out the color part. You gotta rinse it out because there's a lot of fabric. Rinse it out so the water runs clean or clear. And that's what I'm working with right now. Still coming out a little dark, but it looks really great. So this project is almost done. Then all I gotta do is cut it and put it on. That'll be great. So it has been cut. I am now Gandalf the Brown. But the reason I wanted this, so that way I could boom. Shabam. Ranger Cloak. And then this side I'll have my swordy wardy, which is actually outside, being spray painted. Came out so good. The color came out really, really nice. Feels really nice and soft and light. It's just like a little butterfly. So yeah, it came out really well. So again, if you guys want to see a better in-depth video of how to do this, Skill Tree over on YouTube did an even better job where they did stitching and ironing and all that. I just love it so much. Love it so much. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for coming. See you in the next one.